Good morning. Good morning, y'all. So today is my birthday. My parents came out here last night and they actually went grocery shopping while I'm here and taking Bud on a walk. Bud is my dog, but he ended up staying in Bakersfield. That's where my parents live. Because he loves the animals there and the yard is much bigger and everything. But yeah, we're just gonna go for a walk and wait for parents to get here from the grocery store to make some breakfast. Hey y'all, so I just had breakfast with my parents. I showered earlier. My hair's still a little bit damp, as you can tell. Down here it's pretty wet. So I'm going to blow dry my hair and get ready for the day. Walking around at the UCR Botanical Gardens with my Nugget. Hi, buddy, buddy, buddy. Hi, buddy, buddy. Hi, bud. Good night. Good morning, y'all. So it's Sunday today. My parents already left this morning around 6 a.m. It's about 9 a.m. now. I stayed in bed for a little while longer. I have my wash going, which you can probably hear right now. I'm washing all of the guest sheets and then I'll go ahead and wash mine after. But yeah, I'm gonna do some chores around the house because we had a little party with friends and family yesterday to celebrate my birthday as well as my dad's. My dad's birthday is actually tomorrow. So we do a little joined get together. And so I'm gonna clean up around here, clean up outside. We had a little bonfire. And I'm gonna go shopping, grocery shopping, and I also wanna get some like plants. I might go to an estate sale that's nearby. I love going to an estate sales for plants. I have that big plant over there on the wall that I bought in an estate sale, and I have one in my front door that I bought as well from another estate sale. So I just love the idea of buying plants from people who actually cared about them and take care of them for years, and it's very apparent. So I might check out an estate sale and see if I can find something to put on some hanging planters that I have. And yeah, this afternoon I'll be planting and potting, depotting some current plants that I have here. I need to do chores, homework, and altogether just get ready for the week ahead. Hey y'all, I'm back. So today was a very busy day. I'm still very busy now, but it's been a good day overall. Did lots of chores as you guys saw. I went shopping. I didn't really get any clips from that. I did end up going to the estate sale, but didn't find any plants. So I ended up going to Home Depot and I bought a couple of plants. I ended up planting them outside and depotting old plants that I had into new little pots so that they can grow better. And then I just kind of washed up the yard, made dinner, washed dishes, and now I'm setting up some Etsy orders. I need to send out 2 orders tomorrow morning, so I'm going to get those ready. And then also I need to prep other necklaces into their packaging. So I have the loose necklaces in these baggies, and I need to put them in the packaging that I make. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. I'm going to put on something on Netflix so that I just have something to listen to while I do my orders and prep the other Etsy items. And then I'll check back in with you guys after that. Alright, so I finished with my Etsy stuff for the night. I'm going to hop in the shower and then get some homework done. It's 8:30 right now, so it's probably 9:30 actually, because the time change, I haven't changed that clock. It's probably 9:30, and so I need to work on a little bit of homework before work tomorrow, and then I have class in the afternoon as well. So yeah, I'll just check out here. Good night.